Semantic search is powerful, but it has a blind spot. Search for a product code like SKU 4821 or a person's name like John McDonald. Semantic search will often return completely unrelated results. These are exact match problems, and semantic similarity is the wrong tool for them. Keyword search handles them perfectly. Hybrid search combines both approaches and consistently outperforms either one on its own. Semantic search works by finding documents with similar meaning, but meaning breaks down for exact identifiers: a product code, an error code, a person's name, a legal clause number. These have no semantic neighbors. Embedding the string SKU-4821 produces a vector that is meaninglessly close to all kinds of unrelated content. Keyword search has no such problem. It looks for the exact characters in the index and finds them instantly. BM25 is the most widely used keyword ranking algorithm. It scores each document based on how often the query terms appear in it, but it applies two corrections. First, it penalizes terms that appear in nearly every document because common words carry less information. Second, it penalizes very long documents to avoid them dominating just because they contain more words. No embeddings, no neural network, just fast statistics. It has been the backbone of search engines for decades. Setting up BM25 with LangChain is 2 lines. We pass our existing chunks directly to the BM25 retriever and set K to 4. It builds the keyword index automatically from the chunk text. When we invoke it with a query containing an exact product code, it finds the right documents immediately, something the semantic retriever from episode 4 would have struggled with. We load the dense semantic retriever the same way we did in episode 4. We point chroma at the persisted store and create a retriever with K equal to 4. Now we have 2 retrievers. The BM25 retriever that is excellent at exact keyword matches, and the dense retriever that is excellent at semantic similarity. The next step is to merge their results intelligently. Reciprocal Rank Fusion is the standard algorithm for merging 2 ranked result lists. The key insight is that we use rank position rather than raw similarity scores because scores from BM25 and cosine similarity are on completely different scales and cannot be compared directly. Each document gets a score of 1 divided by K plus its rank. The constant K of 60 is a smoothing factor that prevents the top-ranked document from completely dominating the final list. The full fusion function loops through both result lists. For each document, it accumulates RRF scores across both lists. A document that ranks well in both lists will have a much higher combined score than one that only appears in one. Documents that neither retriever found score 0 and drop off entirely. Finally, we sort by total score and return the merged ranked list. This is the core of hybrid search. LangChain provides an ensemble retriever that handles all of this for us. We pass both retrievers and a list of weights. Here we weight the dense retriever at 0.6 and BM25 at 0.4. This gives a slight preference to semantic meaning while still benefiting from keyword matching. The weights are tunable for queries that are mostly about exact terms. Shifting the weight toward BM25 will give better results. For conceptual questions, lean toward the dense retriever. Plugging the hybrid retriever into the RAG chain from episode 4 requires changing exactly one thing. We replace the old retriever with our new hybrid retriever. The rest of the chain stays identical. The prompt, the language model, the output parser. The only difference is that the context fed into the prompt is now sourced from a much better retrieval step that handles both exact matches and semantic similarity. You now know why pure semantic search fails on exact terms, how BM25 keyword search works, how reciprocal rank fusion merges 2 result lists, and how to drop a hybrid retriever straight into your existing RAG chain. In the next episode, we go one step further with reranking, using a cross-encoder model to rescore and reorder retrieved chunks before they ever reach the language model. Subscribe if you want to see that one. See you then.